Making a tassel. Find a book or a notepad that has the required length or height for the tassel you want to make. Start winding your yarn around the book and just keep going. To create the body of the tassel, you have to wind quite a lot of yarn over. Otherwise, it will be very limp and not very decorative. When you've reached the volume that you desire for your tassel, then stop winding. Cut off your yarn. And pull out a long piece of yarn to tie off the windings you made. Slip it under and make a knot in the top. Here I'm using what's called a surgeon's knot, where you wind the yarn twice around itself, 2 times in opposite directions. This locks the yarn so it won't come apart. Now get a small pair of really sharp scissors and cut through the bottom of your windings. And take care that you don't cut into your very fancy vintage book. Now you need another piece of yarn. This you'll wrap around your tassel. This will be making the bulb on the top that will be holding all the strings together so it stays a tassel and doesn't come apart. Try and comb the end of the tassel out with your fingers, and then we're going to trim it. so it has a nice neat ending. Now it's ready to be sewn on to your orchid hat.